Hey, you guys hear that? It's my new Bosch dishwasher, and I want to tell you a few things about this. First of all, it's got 3 racks. That top rack, you might be able to get some silverware in, and clean all your dishes up real nice, but it's got no heating element whatsoever, giving it that Energy Star compliant rating. Yeah, okay, it looks like we're gonna save on energy bill, but you have some other appliance in your house now heating the water for the dishwasher, effectively nulling that entirely. Oh, but it gets better because the Bosch dishwashers don't have any way to tell you that the dishes are clean. We have a red light that will come on indicating that it's running because it's so quiet. You need a red light to warn you not to open it up, right? But there is nothing, no display, no light, nothing telling you that the dishes are clean, effectively confusing everyone in your house. So we're at the part of the video where I have to beg you to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, because subscribe doesn't really account to anything other than YouTube might someday send me a plaque.